I wake up in the morning chillin' with my feet up, looking on my Instagram for pussy to beat up. ASAP, turn that beat up. Hey nigga, roll that weed up. Riding through the hood, top down, throwing that B up. Turn that YG up, cause niggas fed up. Niggas get murdered in my city, not keeping their head up. I'm talking blood, crips and shit, bodies twisted like licorice. Watch when that pistol lit, niggas hit the fence. Cowards, ducking them lead showers. Couple niggas be snitching, pointing like watchtowers. That's how niggas get locked up. 40 Glock tough, what? That nigga got socked up. And he suing me for 4.5. Let me see. Move the decimal, once to the right. That's a 45, Glock at the light. Now you a vegetable. Tell them niggas where I'm from. You heard? Sack. Tell them niggas where I'm from. AR. Tell them niggas where I'm from. Let's go. Drake. Tell them niggas where I'm from. The city of money, power, and tears. Overdoses, nightmares, yeah. Can't walk around here, can't talk around here, gun spark around here, yeah.
Atlanta nigga, my nigga raised round J's, ran plays, throwing up trays, my dog squeeze triggers, dreaming of what we be when we bigger. Firm biz deliver, haters shiver, they see us. Sedans filled with divas, sniffing Justin Bieber. We stay in the gang, your lames is in the bleachers. Luxury vehicles with all the latest features. The preachers can't reach us, smoking kush on the beaches. No reception, it's a blessing, never seen recession, just progression. Bank account stretching, bottles in my section. As I stare at my reflection, boss nigga. These bitches love my complexion, they ain't just tall nigga. Cracking the pop, let it bubble on the block. Watch it double so we can huddle and ball with the rock. Got niggas from Watts and Swats and niggas from Harlem, but my niggas from Compton, it's a problem. Firm biz.
Tell them niggas where I'm from. You heard? Sack. Tell them niggas where I'm from. AR. Tell them niggas where I'm from. Let's go. Drake. Tell them niggas where I'm from. The city of money, power, and tears. Overdoses, nightmares, yeah. Can't walk around here, can't talk around here, gun spark around here, yeah.
I swear these niggas is lame, my nigga. You an iPhone 5C, nigga. You understand that? You the nigga that got the turquoise back, man. You pull that shit out, niggas is slapping you off rip. Straight molly-whopping you, dawg. You not welcome. iPhone 5C ass nigga. You thought you was gonna cut a corner and just pay 99 to shine. We don't fuck with you, nigga. Half price ass, bitch ass, soft ass, lame ass nigga. You understand?